What's up, everyone? It's Randy Bell here with Bell's Accounting Tax and Notary Services. I know a lot of you are already thinking about your 2024 tax returns and how to maximize your deductions and minimize your tax liability. But before you even think about filing, there's some crucial steps you need to take to make sure you're 100% ready. Today, we're going to walk you through the essential steps you need to take before filing your 2024 tax return to avoid any notices. We'll break down everything from updating your personal information to reviewing your return for accuracy. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like this video to stay updated on all things taxes. And be sure to check out our website at www.rbelltaxservice.com for even more information and services. All right, let's kick things off with the first and arguably most important step, updating your personal information. This might seem like a no-brainer, but you'd be surprised how many people overlook it. We're talking about things like your name, address, social security number, and filing status. If the IRS doesn't have your current information, they might have trouble processing your return or sending you any refunds you're owed. The last thing you want is for your return to be delayed, or, even worse, end up in the wrong hands because of an outdated address. You also want to make sure your bank account information is up to date for direct deposit refunds, which are the fastest and most secure way to get your money back. You can update your information online through the IRS website, by mail, or by calling the IRS directly. Trust me, taking a few minutes to update your information is a small price to pay for peace of mind and a smooth tax filing process. Now that you've got your personal information squared away, it's time to move on to step number 2, gathering your documents. Think of this as creating your ultimate tax prep checklist. You want to gather all the necessary documents you'll need to complete your tax return accurately. This includes things like your W-2 from your employer, 1099 forms if you're self-employed or have other income sources, and any other relevant tax forms you've received throughout the year. You'll also want to gather any documentation that could help you qualify for deductions and credits. This might include receipts for charitable donations, medical expenses, property taxes, mortgage interest, student loan interest, and child care expenses. Being organized is key. Create a dedicated folder or use a digital system to keep track of everything. You can even use a spreadsheet to track your income and expenses throughout the year. The more organized you are, the easier it will be to file your taxes, and the less likely you are to miss out on valuable deductions or credits. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to maximizing your refund or minimizing your tax liability. All right, let's move on to step number 3, double checking your deductions and credits. This is where you can potentially save a significant amount of money on your taxes. I'm talking about taking advantage of the perfectly legal deductions and credits that the IRS offers to taxpayers like you. Deductions and credits are essential tools that can reduce your taxable income, which in turn can lower your overall tax bill. But here's the thing, tax laws are constantly changing. What might have been deductible last year might not be this year. For example, if you're a homeowner, you might be able to deduct your mortgage interest and property taxes. If you have children, you might be eligible for the child tax credit. The best way to ensure you're not missing out on any potential savings is to do your research. Consult with a qualified tax professional or use tax software that can help guide you through the process. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to taxes. Moving on to step number 4, we're going to talk about something that's often overlooked but can have a major impact on your taxes. Life changes. Life throws curveballs, and sometimes those curveballs come with tax implications. We're talking about major life events that can affect your filing status, deductions, credits, and overall tax liability. Did you get married or divorced this year? Your filing status will likely change. Welcome a new child into the family. That little bundle of joy could mean some serious tax breaks, like the child tax credit or dependent care deductions. Start a new business or side hustle. Being self-employed comes with a whole different set of tax rules and forms. The point is, life changes often equal tax changes. Review your situation carefully, do your research, or consult with a tax professional to make sure you're filing correctly and taking advantage of any new deductions or credits you might be eligible for. Before you file, review your tax return for accuracy. This step is crucial, like a final walkthrough before closing on a house. Double checking can save you headaches later. Look for typos, incorrect bank info, and missing signatures. These errors can delay processing or cause penalties. Use tax software error checkers or consult a professional. There you have it. Those are the 5 essential steps you need to take before filing your 2024 tax return. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a smoother, less stressful, and hopefully more profitable tax season. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, family, coworkers, anyone who might be struggling with their taxes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tax tips and updates throughout the year. And as always, if you need personalized assistance, visit our website at www.rbltaxservice.com for more information and services.